Okay, example 8 says graph the solution set for the disjunction x is less than 0 or x is greater than 3 and express it using interval notation. Now notice this time it uses the word disjunction and it also uses the word or. Disjunction is just an or statement, meaning it can make the first inequality true or it can make the second equality true. So with a disjunction or an or statement, we graph everything. We're going to graph it all. Okay, so whatever's supposed to be graphed is what we're going to put on there. Alright, so on this one, when I go to graph this, because I don't need to solve anything, I'm just going to use one number line because like we said, we're going to graph it all. So I'm going to graph the first one, x is less than 0. So I'm going to start out with 0. X is less than. So we're going to go this direction. And is the 0 included? No, because it doesn't have the equal to, so use a parenthesis. Then graph the second piece. Start at 3. X is greater than 3, so go greater than, so go towards positive infinity. And is the 3 included? No, it's not, so use a parenthesis there. Now, when I go to write my solution here and my interval notation, look, we got two pieces to this answer, okay? So you're going to have two different intervals. This first one starts at negative infinity, which always gets a parenthesis, and it ends at 0, and it has a parenthesis there. Then we put a U for union, because remember when we went over that in class, I said union is like the United States, it's everything. So when we graph everything, we're going to use the little union symbol there to connect our answers. And then do your second interval. You had a parenthesis at the 3, and it goes to infinity, and we know infinities always have a parenthesis. So here I answered what it told me to, I graphed it, and I used interval notation.